Yo, so I saw a thumbnail say, yes, I gotta click on it. This one. What's that? Jesus. So I gotta click on it. So I click on it. Let me show you.
I want to cut this into cookies, but I don't know how to do it.
You
I
see
don't
it?
know, but I sure love cookies.
They know what she
Go get the
doing. She
chainsaw.
know
We'll
what
give
she
it a try.
doing.
Okay. Will this work?
Not that one. We need the
And
bigger
she
one.
being bringing. The thing is, look at it. God, you the best. God damn. And she know what she doing, right? Cause she be bringing a lot of chainsaw. This one, and this one, and this one. Just, just to show your ass. Stay focused, fellas. Stay focused.
How about this one?
Well, that is bigger, but we need the bigger one.
She like the bigger one.
What about this
And then
one?
No,
you see, she tied that ass, and then she put the sweatpants on it. Oh Lord, Jesus Christ! And then hold on. I gotta. I'm not gonna put no music. You see the camera? You see what the camera did? Really, really. The camera really zoom in. Wow, you did good, man. You did good. Holy shit. I ain't gonna lie, I think I love white girl. White girl can I have some ass. White girl have some ass. White girl can I have some ass. I didn't come for the chainsaw. I see the butt. I say, yeah, I say, yeah, I gotta do something, man. I gotta click on it. And then boom. I click on it and then this is what happened. I was not really pay attention to that. I don't wanna see people cutting words. I saw her. She take. I love take girl. Is she take a medium take girl or she small take girl? I don't know. She know what she doing. At the beginning, she just show her ass, her butt, and then that's it. Just people so can click on it. Why we need mentors for? I ain't gonna lie. She's a pretty woman. I don't know if it's your daughter. I don't care. But your daughter look fine, shorty. I mean, buddy. Your shorty, your shorty, shorty. Holy shit. She know what she doing. This one, this one, this one. The mom was like, yeah. That's a long ass chainsaw. I ain't gonna lie with you. No more shit. That shit. I never saw a chainsaw like that. What the hell? Like this before. I thought she was gonna cut the tree, but no. And then boom. She knew what she was doing. She wears sweatpants for this video. I pause it. I take off the music, the thing, the sound, so I don't have copyright. See, she wear a nice sweatpants. That's why me girls be doing too much. That's why I'm doing too much too. You wear sweatpants to show your boot, the booty. Me, I wear a lot of compression so I can show my chest, nigga. Bitch, fuck, like so bitches can see I got something too. What the hell? So I bought a lot of Nike compressions just to show off. That's why I work out, to show off. What the hell? That's what she doing. So I'm doing it too. I went to my job. Boom. Show off. I was showing off my abs. My abs is coming out. It's crazy. And my when I put the compression, it show your body properly. Oh Lord. You know, guys, you gotta go to the gym, man. You feel happy right now. Today I got COVID. I can go for like 1 week. That shit pissed me off. I feel bored. But let me tell you guys, go to the gym is the best. You breathe better, healthy. The reason why I go to the gym too, I work in a hospital. I see what's going on in the hospital. I'm a nursing aide, right? I can't even should make a noise. I can't even lift them up, like turn them side to side, cause they're so big and heavy. And then they got heart problems cause they eat. If it's not the food, it's not genetic from other like parents genetic. But let me tell you, some people did a lot. Most of them they say oh, stay healthy because I used to eat fast food, all kind of shit. And actually expensive to do a surgery. So I wanna be healthy. Whatever happen. If I still got sick, it's cause family stuff. But right now, I'm gonna stay healthy and shit. So yeah. But this girl was showing her ass. Let me do the thumbnail. I'm making a video, you dumbass. Making a sound. I'm out, man. Thumbnail. I think she married. But I don't care.